Hello everyone, I am Dr. Uday Krishna, orthopedic surgeon, consultant joint replacement and limb reconstruction surgeon, KIMS Hospital Secunderabad. Today, I need to tell you about most common problem nowadays we are facing osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is nothing but a degenerative condition that affects more commonly about 60 people. Nearly 30% of people more than 60 suffer from osteoarthritis. Millions of people suffer because of this condition, mainly due to different causes. Especially obesity appears to be main cause nowadays. The main the what is osteoarthritis is that it's a degenerative condition where the cartilage between the joints get damaged, and the patient complains of lot of pain between the joints. So it has different causes for osteoarthritis. Most common cause are age. As the man progresses more than 60, there will be wear and tear of the cartilage, and he suffers a lot of pain there. Second thing is sex. Females usually have more preponderance to the male, but we don't know the exact cause for why females suffer. Maybe due to the obesity. Nowadays we find obesity per se itself is a main cause for osteoarthritis, where we have seen more younger patients with gross obese females or male suffering with osteoarthritis. And the fourth most common cause is previous history of any injuries around the knee joint or any other joints, where dearrangement or malalignment of the joints may lead to osteoarthritis. So, what are the symptoms? How the patient comes? Symptoms mainly depends upon the what is the age of the patient, and it also depends upon the staging of the arthritis. The patient is very young, means less than 50 or 45, we should rule out other causes of osteoarthritis. I mean, it could be a rheumatoid arthritis where it affects multiple joints, and it can affect even the whole systemic effect of the body. The other causes may be SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus, is a skin condition. It may also affect the joints. Other Rhetus syndrome, other causes for osteoarthritis or inflammatory arthritis. And young patients may develop from ankylosing spondylitis, is other form of arthritis. But most commonly osteoarthritis is a degenerative condition. It occurs more than 60. So these are the causes, and the pain is the main presenting complaint to us, with followed by inability to weight bear completely. They come with a limp, and especially from compared to last year to this year, there will be activities of daily living have been affected severely. So these are the complaints with considering the osteoarthritis. How do you diagnose this osteoarthritis? Mainly, clinical examination is very important. When the patient come to us, or orthopedician will examine completely as a whole. The patient complaining as a knee, we have to examine hip problem to rule out, as well as a spine, because arthritis can occur any part of the joint: hip, knee, ankle, shoulder, elbow, any part of the joint. So the pain occurring should be diagnosed exactly where the pain is coming, either from the hip, knee, or spine. So after the general checkup of a routine clinical examination, we order for any blood test or clinical radiological X-rays. X-ray will tell us how much amount of cartilage or bone has been damaged there, followed by if required, any blood investigations. If the patient is little younger enough or is a sports person, will take a necessary MRI or CT scan. So finally, the treatment. The treatment mainly depends upon the staging of the patient, and age of the patient is very important. Nowadays, as I mentioned, the younger patients are developing severe osteoarthritis, mainly because previous history of injuries has been not addressed properly. Second, maybe due to gross obese, this next generation of people having junk food, developing a lot of weight, and lack of physical activity has been shown affecting millions of people across the world. So initially it was above 65 years of target point to undergo knee replacement on some sort of surgical procedure. Now, if we have a lot of patients coming around 55 or less than 55 coming for knee osteoarthritis. The treatment varies according to the staging of the patient symptoms as well as the X-ray findings. If the patient comes with early arthritis, we suggest them routine physiotherapy, some support of knee support, provided he takes a little bit of some small analgesics that will temporary relief. Here, physiotherapy plays important role. More than 60% of patients get relief, or it prevents more degeneration of osteoarthritis. If in the second stage, where if the arthritis is progressing, where the treatment fails, medical treatment fails, which suggests some steroid injection or some lubrication into the joint injections, that may work up to 1 year, maybe to 2 to 3 years, provided if the patient has reduced weight and some activity, some physiotherapy has been doing continuously. If all this treatment fail, physiotherapy, knee bracing, or supplementation with injections, if everything fails, the patient comes in a category of where advanced knee arthritis, where the patient has to undergo definitive surgery. That is total knee replacement or total hip replacement. So the replacement, it depends upon the joint involved. It can be replaced any part of the joint depending upon the joint involved. Most common is the knee, and total knee replacement is the most successful surgery of this decade after the bypass surgery, and it has been followed up to 98% good results in a good hands and good safe results up to 20 years follow-up. The results are very good. Here, selection of the patient is appropriate, is very important in case. Who are the ideal candidate for knee replacement? Who are all the treatment failure, that is all the conservative treatments have been failed, or some sort of injections have been taken, all injections have been failed past 6 months or 1 year. His activities, patient's activities have drastically reduced compared to last year. Is unable to stand unable to stand more than 15 minutes, or unable to walk more than 500 meters, or is unable to climb stairs, or unable to wear socks. So these are the patients where their activities of daily living, if they're affected, these are the candidates for ideal total knee replacement. The replacement surgery, it offers with a different perspective, and it should be operated in a good center where advances has to be benefited for the patient. Here, MIS, minimal invasive surgery, is also has come up with fast track procedure, where patient, if we get operated today, by evening we are making them walk. So it depends upon the post-op anesthesia as well as intra-op procedure. That is, if the patient comes very late, or his knee joints got very damaged, then the recovery will be very late, as well as his surgery takes longer time. His rehabilitation takes naturally longer time. If the patient is diagnosed early, he is an ideal candidate for surgery, then the rehabilitation will be very fast and recovery will be very fast. It will last more than 20-25 years. The complications are is a routine complications as with other procedures. It has only 1% risk, and on the safe hands of the surgeon, and depending on the hospital, the complications are less than 1%. Thank you.